What's going on, everybody on YouTube? It's SVT Vasquez back at it with another video, back at it with another banger, man. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys an update on my Mazda Miata. Let's start the show. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded. I've been real busy. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm a student. I work full-time and I'm a dad, so I've been real busy. Haven't had time to upload. I've had a little bit of time off, but I've taken that time off to work on things at home. I'll give you guys an update. As you can see, I have some new gym equipment in my garage. That's a bench that I had before. So I have a little gym going on here. I'll be doing a video about that later. I want to do a review on this cage I just bought. I just put it up the other day, so I haven't had time to record on it yet or to try it out because I've been working on the Miata. And if you guys have been subscribed to my channel for a while, you guys know that the Miata has given me issues. And it finally got to me, guys. I haven't had time to work on it. I haven't had time to fix it. The last time I drove it, it drove great. The turbo didn't give me any issues. I didn't have that stalling problem that it usually gave me. But when I was done driving my car, I drove for about a whole hour with no issues. It ran great. Everything was smooth. It was perfect. I was happy. Unfortunately, I didn't record it because I didn't think that it was going to actually run the way I wanted to, but it actually did better than I expected. When I went to park it, the fuel pump wouldn't kick on it anymore when I went back to start it. And I just called it quits, guys. I'm way too busy to be working on it. It's a great build. It's my favorite car out of all my cars. I love this car. It handles great. It pulls hard. But I'm just not going to have enough time for it, guys. I only have 2 biology classes left for me to enter into my nursing program. And once I enter into that nursing program, I know that things are going to move a lot quicker. My classes aren't going to give me the time I need to work on the car. So it's about time, guys. I'm going to let this thing go. And I actually already sold the car, to be honest. Right now I'm working on taking off the turbo. The person that bought the car bought it complete as it is. I was parting out the car. The guy offered me some money for the car itself, and the turbo is going to go to someone else that's turboing their Miata. I'm going to give him the complete kit. He bought the complete kit, so at least the car is going to stay somewhat completely intact. It's going to have the body. It's going to have everything. I sold the hard top. I sold the soft top, and that's about it. The guy's getting pretty much a complete stock Miata, and the other guy's getting the turbo system, so it's a win-win situation. I'm not mad about it. I told the guy that I sold the Miata to, if he gets it running, if he gets it stock, and he ends up wanting to sell it one day, hit me up. I'm the first one that's going to be at the door with some money. But as of right now, guys, I need to stay focused in school. I got a tough course coming up with my nursing program. I know it's gonna take a lot of my time, and I just don't need a headache like trying to make this thing run and wasting money on insurance, on registration, and all that. So I'm just gonna let it go, guys. I'll still have the Mustang for the channel, and another thing I'm working on is a PC build, guys. To be honest, making videos hasn't been all that fun for the simple fact that when it comes to editing, my edits take way longer than they need to just because I don't have a powerful desktop or laptop. My laptop, I bought it specifically for college, and it serves its purpose. It's not a cheap laptop, but it's not something that's going to render and help me edit videos fast. It takes way longer than I need to edit. Once I start cutting and adding things to my edits, the computer slows down way too much, and I need something that's going to run smoother. So not only have I been grabbing gym equipment so I could work at home, I've been building up my computer room. If you guys seen my computer room build, I build a little gaming office slash homework station. And now I'm ordering parts to build a PC. So I'm going to be uploading videos on building a PC soon as well. So stay tuned for that. I still have parts coming in. Because of the pandemic, there has been short stock of some things like graphics cards. I need a graphics card, but luckily NVIDIA is going to release a graphics card. They're announcing it around September, so we'll see when they're going to actually release it. That's something I'm waiting on, and obviously I can't make the computer run without it. So if you guys see a slowdown of videos, it's because of that. I just want to be able to edit and have the freedom of my creativity not be held back by my hardware and software that I have for my editing. So that's where I'm at, guys. I'll give you guys a quick look at how the Miata looks, not only for you guys, but this is gonna be my last pretty much video with the car. As you can see, the interior is all intact, nothing much done. I just took off the hard top. Only thing that's coming out of the engine bay is the turbo kit. I already took out the cold air intake. I took out the air filter already. Just need to take out the manifold. It's already unscrewed. I just need to go ahead and yank it out of there when I get the chance. I still have wires hooked up to the oil lines and things like that. I need to get that off. But yeah, guys, it's pretty much going back to stock. Someone's gonna work on it, put it back together, and enjoy the car as is. The front bumper, unfortunately, sold. Some guy needed a front bumper. He doesn't have one, period, so he bought it. And the headlights are gone as well. The exhaust is gone. The wheels is gone. And I honestly didn't think the car was going to sell as a whole. I would have sold it as whole if someone offered the right price to it. But once parts started flying off the website, I actually was contacted by quite a few people asking me, hey, how much do you want for the car? And that's why I ended up selling it to someone that was interested in fixing the car up and driving it as a stock vehicle. So that's where it's at, guys. That's what I've been up to. So like I said, guys, coming up for the channel, I'm going to be talking about my gym equipment. I'm going to be building a PC. Also, I'm going to be buying parts for the Mustang Cobra. If you didn't know, I do have a 2004 Mustang Cobra on my channel as well. That's why my name's SVT Vasquez. And I'll be able to buy parts for that. So if you're new to the channel and you want to see my build, go ahead, subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below what I should buy for my Mustang Cobra, what you guys suggest I should do to it. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
I'm just all about this money. I don't think about no thoughts. Girl, you don't know about me, so get off my fucking D. Born and raised in the dot. This is real as you gon' see. Girl, you don't know about me, so get off my fucking D.